Well, then put it in the blender.
Well, if you say so.
The chili dog, not the baby!
Hey everyone, what's up? It's Jessie here, and welcome to another installment of Let's Watch Sonic Boom, the season 2. So yeah, so sorry for the late update. Man, we had a heck of a yesterday was actually a pretty big event for you guys. Yeah, from all the way at United States, you guys had the total solar eclipse. Man, that was huge. It must have been really, really huge for you guys. So yeah, I'm from Australia, so I didn't get to see the solar eclipse because I was fast asleep. But I did get to see a look on the Twitter on the Twitter feeds and stuff like that. Yeah, it was just like it was a really huge event. I thought something bad was going to happen. That's gonna catastrophic or something like that to the planet, but it didn't. I was just I got all worried for nothing. Yeah. So anyway, you know what I'm not worried about? Going to watch this new episode of Sonic Boom. So like I promised you guys, forgive me for not having a chance to upload this as soon as possible. So oh my God! Don't tell me that it's Steve. It's Steve. Wait, is it Steve or Morpho? Steve or Morpho, I don't know. It could be either one. So, where have all the Sonics gone? Okay, this is gonna be a good episode. We gotta have a look-see. Okay, we gotta have a look-see. Alright, let's go. Shall we? Sorry. Okay.
Mombot's gonna flip when she gets a load of this chocolate vodka.
Oh, so Mombot has a new house, so she's not living at the lair? Okay.
You're late.
There was a line at the bakery, but I wanted to bring you a special treat.
You can put whatever it is next to the chocolate vodka your brother brought.
Mombot, Steve's not my brother.
Yeah.
He's a robot shapeshifter built by me in an alternate dimension. How is that so hard to understand?
Yeah. But, well, no more Google it, no. Yeah,
Mombot tells me things are going pretty okay for you at the
Roger.
Oh yeah, never better. I'm keeping busy, staying active, focusing all my time and energy on crafting elaborate schemes to rid the world of that annoying blue pineapple.
Pineapple. Oh, you're trying to one-up your brother, right?
But if we get rid of Sonic, the rest of the gang will totes fall apart.
Steve?
I told you to call me Morpho. You know, seeing as how I can morph and junk.
Yeah. What the? What? Metal Sonic. Shadow. Oh my God! Did we just get the same Vector? Can we just go back? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Too far. Vector. Seriously?
Morpho. You know, seeing as how I can morph and junk.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God! We get to see Vector? Oh, only for like what? What? Oh, for a few seconds. Vector only for a few seconds. What? We got Vector for a few. Unbelievable. Okay. Oh yeah. So yeah, back in season 1, we only got like 2 characters from the video game series so far. We had first it was Metal Sonic. If you guys didn't spoil too much, we would have been surprised. And also Shadow. Again, if you guys didn't spoil. So far we had Metal Sonic, Shadow, and now Vector. Are you kidding me? Wow, I was not expecting Vector. Not expecting it. Okay, so let's get back with the show, shall we?
Oh, now I get it. Steve.
Boys, you boys march outside Texas and start plotting to do with your arch enemy together.
Okay.
Yes, Mombot.
Oh, Knuckles. I forgot to tell you one thing.
Oh!
Race. Eat my crust.
Oh, Sonic and All-Star Race. Sega All-Star Racing. I have got to play that game. Yeah. But I'll pull it off. I'll play that afterwards, yeah.
Joke's on you, Sonic. I skipped lunch today.
Okay. That's not what he meant. Okay, so we got Sonic and All-Star Racing, yeah. Whoa. What the heck? Whoa! What the heck?
Sonic's disappeared.
That could only mean
I won! Woohoo!
No, Knuckles.
out when he lands in another dimension.
Oh.
Wasn't there a whole to-do once before where we learned if we had two of the same person in one dimension,
yeah.
it would cause a catastrophic anomaly that would destroy the entire universe?
That happened with the second Knuckles. That's happened with the second Knuckles, yeah.
Or am I just making things up?
That's why I sent him to a dimension where no other Sonic exists.
That
Oh.
sounds like paradise!
You mean this sounds like Paradise Brosif because Sonic no longer exists here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, now the dimension looks so different. The sky looks different.
A shortcut to Main Street hidden in the canyon? Sweet Easter egg.
Yep, every time. Knuckles? What?
The scrawny little arms.
What is Knuckles? Oh, is he a workout instructor? Is he a workout
Yeah,
instructor?
you. Think you have what it takes to be a beefcake like me? Then come on down to Knuckles' upper body only workout center. Nothing says cool like muscle.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. No.
And I'm officially confused.
Yep.
Time for phase 2. I'll take Sonic's place so that no one notices he's gone.
At Amy's place? Yeah, this is not gonna end well.
Oh, hey Sonic, what's up?
I was wondering if a lovely lady like yourself would enjoy going on a trip with me to the canyon.
If it was a game version of Amy, she would flip. She would definitely flip it. Boom, Amy?
Oh, Sonic, that sounds... Hey, wait a minute! Sonic's never that thoughtful. Are you Steve Eggman?
Who's that? Oh, you must mean the Great Morpho. No. I'm Sonic the Mighty Hedgehog. What's up, Doc?
That's not even Sonic's catchphrase.
Yes! Thank you! Thank you, Amy!
Get out of here, Steve. I'm not falling for your tricks again.
Yep, she knows. Yeah, dude, you should know Amy by well.
Hey, Amy!
Back off, weirdo!
What's going on? Is this because I didn't go with you to the farmer's market? Sorry, Ames, but I gotta draw the line somewhere, and that line is at organic kale.
Yep, that's a real Sonic. Yeah, he would definitely say Ames. That's her nickname. She would definitely say Ames.
Wait, Herman. Lord of all you see, coming through.
What? Lord? Amen? What? What's going on? Yeah, this is definitely...
Well, a newcomer. Kneel before me, stranger.
Like I would ever kneel down before your mustachioed butt.
Oh, crap.
You indigo ingrate! How dare you speak that way to me?
Who? You? Dr. Yolks for brains? Please, let's just get to the part where I clobber you.
Whoa!
What's the big idea?
You have the right to actually, you have no rights.
No
You're under
rights.
arrest for rebellion against Lord Eggman first.
Lord Eggman?
Wait, you don't understand. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. You gotta believe me. I think I came from another dimension. One where Eggman isn't nearly as powerful.
Lord Eggman rules with an iron
Dave!
and a glove of steel. Wilbur Hazard even owns a pair of lead mittens.
Dave? Why are you locked up? What, did you look at his mustache the wrong way?
Even worse, I forgot to give him extra pickles at the restaurant where I work. Gourmet burger.
Where I come from, it's called Mad Burger.
Mad burger? Why would anyone ever eat there?
Some of these roles are pretty, overrated. Like, these punishments are overrated. Kind of like, maybe with North Korean lately? What the?
I've come to rescue the hedgehog who stood up to Lord Eggman. You too, Burger Boy. After all, your customer service is exemplary.
He's the complete opposite of the, of their Dave. Of his Dave, yeah. Of the Dave from their dimension.
The rebellion is small right now, but we're starting to make waves. Follow me. I'll introduce you to our fearless leader.
You're the leader of the rebellion?
Yeah, and I'd like to offer you a position in the anti-Eggman unit. Or you can fight the alien overlords. They haven't invaded yet. But I know they're coming.
Sign me
No, they
up.
come.
For the Eggman thing, not the crazy paranoid thing. But if to defeat Eggman, we'll need the full team. I already have you and Amy, but I still need to find Knuckles.
The goofball from the TV commercials?
That's the guy. And of course my main man and BFF, Tails. Any idea where he is?
Never heard of him.
What were you thinking, lobbing compliments at Amy like that? Have you even met Sonic?
Yeah.
He's too cool to let anybody think he enjoys their company.
Yeah.
Believe me, I know.
I know.
Chance, Bromigo. I'll convince everyone at Matt Burger that I'm the real Sonic.
One salad, please.
It's Jelly Dog! It's Jelly Dog!
Sonic eating a salad.
Yeah.
That's a rich, good one, Steve.
Oh, he knows it's Steve! He said his name is Steve! Oh my god, they already know he's Steve.
You fans looking for an autograph? I get it. I'd want my autograph too if I weren't me.
X.
Listen, Knuckles, we're actually here to ask you to join the rebellion.
Overthrow Lord Eggman? That's preposterous. Naturally, I understand why you would come to me. I mean, look at you. Not a beefcake in the lot. Now, maybe if you were more powerful and athletic like me...
How about this, Musclehead? Me and you in a race, one-on-one. If I win, you join us.
You beat me? Okay, Mr. Needle Mouse, you're right.
Needle Mouse!
Race to the gourmet burger and...
Yep.
Back.
Wow, these burgers are great. What's their secret?
Beef?
Schmancy.
No, they don't have actual beef in their dimension.
I really wish we could have found
Oh.
the Tales of Your Dimension before.
Eggman's lair looks really different. The green stuff? Yeah, the green stuff. Yeah, it ain't lava. Yeah, it looks slime. It looks like
Could have
slime.
found the Tales of Your Dimension before going after Lord Eggman.
Sorry, Big Blue. Every minute Lord
Yes,
Eggman
Big
grows
Blue.
stronger. We need to hit him now.
Oh, grappling hook. Very nice. Yep.
What?
Tails? What?
Tails, don't worry, buddy. We're here to rescue you.
Who are you? And what are you rebels doing in my boss's lair?
Oh, please don't tell me you're working for...
Great Lord Eggman.
Oh my god, no.
This is your best friend. Look, Ellie, pick him, buddy.
I'm sure...
Oh man, this is just like people just like, oh, they always go to Trump ignoring like, it's like with the whole Trump and North Korea and stuff like that, a little cuckoo, yep, little pretty cuckoo, yep.
Just a misunderstanding.
Oh, he just set off the alarm.
Tails?
I told you, dude. I have no idea who you are.
Well, I know you. I know you're the smartest guy in this town. Your favorite color is orange. Your favorite movie is Comedy Chimp All-Stars Reunite for one last cash grab. 2.
How do you know all that?
Wow. He's his best friend.
Congratulations, my lab assistant.
And sidekick.
And so
Thanks to your A+ tattling, I'll be able to quash this little rebellion once and for all. Robots, attack!
Okay, I like the music. So Tails actually works for Dr. Eggman in this episode? Okay, well, it's another dimension. Oh! Woo! Good job, Sticks. Whoa! Oh, 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 oh. Woo! Go Knox! Oops, spin dash.
Out of the way, you peculiar garment! Ah, who gives a hoot? What's one lab assistant in the larger scheme of things?
He's aiming for Tails! Oh! Woo! Nice.
You just saved my life. Why? I'm with Lord Eggman.
We may be on opposite sides right now, but the Tails I know would have done the same for me.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Can we get back to the battle already?
You asked for it, Egghead.
Oh, they're not afraid of him anymore. Oh, here we go. Yep.
But this doesn't make sense. I never knew.
Yep, now you do.
Well, it's been real, guys. I need to go back to my dimension. But with Styx's leadership and a crew like you by her side, I got a feeling Lord Eggman's days are numbered.
Oh, they built the same gadget that the Sonic and Steve, Eggman and Steve built. Sorry. Don't forget the right.
Yippity dippity doo! I'm Sonic the Hedgehog!
No! Where's the nuance? Where's that Sonic je ne sais quoi?
Je ne sais what?
Say what? Ah, here he is!
Sonic, what are you doing here? I mean, that's not Sonic. This is the real Sonic.
Yippity dip skipperoo! I'm Sonic! Gotta catch 'em all!
Pokemon? Seriously? Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're in trouble.
I'm so proud of you two boys. I mean, your plan was a colossal failure, but at least you could finally work together.
Okay. Oh man, that was actually a person. Gotta catch them all. Oh god, seriously, wrong show, wrong show, Sonic, wrong show. Oh man, yeah. Okay, that was actually a pretty good episode. We get to see Steve / Mofo again. I think that's his name. Also, Sonic was sent to another dimension where he does not exist. Okay, oh man, you know, it reminds me of Shrek Forever After. That was actually a pretty good film. I mean, it was like when Shrek was tricked by the villain of the movie, who travels to another dimension where he doesn't exist, or where ogres are feared by the public, where he was what he was used to be before, like sometime before like the first movie. So yeah. So, that was actually, it's kind of like Shrek Forever After. Like, Sonic goes to another dimension where he doesn't exist, and Eggman rules all land. So, yeah, that was actually a pretty good episode. So, yeah, you know what? Tell me what you guys think of this episode. Feel free to post a comment down below. You guys can look me up on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Daily Motion account. Also, you guys can look me up on Twitter and Facebook. That's where I am most of the time. Also, you guys can find me on Deviant and Fanfiction. Also, all the links down below in the description. Also, hey, if you guys actually want a shout out, I haven't said this for a long time. If you guys ever want a shout out, feel free to post a comment down below. I'll be happy to do it. I'll be happy to do it in the next episode. So yeah, anyway, this is Jesse from Jesse Water Productions, and I am signing off. You guys take care of yourselves, okay?